Hi guys! Today we are going to learn how to delete Google Lens photos. First of all, unlock your phone and open Google Photos, because Google Lens photos are usually saved inside Google Photos. Once you open it, you will see all your images in one place. So this is where our process actually starts. Now scroll and find the photo you used with Google Lens. Just tap on it to open it properly. Make sure you select the correct image so you don't delete the wrong one. Honestly, this step is all about being a little careful. After opening the photo, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a trash or bin icon there. Just tap on it and the delete option will appear. This is the main step where you actually remove the photo. Now a confirmation box will appear on your screen. Simply tap on Move to Trash or Delete option. Once you do that, your Google Lens photo will be removed. And if needed, you can also restore it from the trash within some time. So guys, that's how you can easily delete Google Lens photos step by step. It's simple once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more easy tech guides like this.